Manipur Elders Consortium Shillong next ngi gala penlong ya gijing pynkhuid ya ka Khyndai Lad bat ka thong jaka kalong ban penlong ya gani ka nongba ka bakhuid bat kum juru ban penkala ya ka kum ka plastic free zone habai kren bat ka singai lema ka badai ka generous ka tri ka MECS kala itu ba ya gani la penlong hanong ba Shillong namar ngitip ba Shillong adai ka wei ni ki jaka jngohkai ki ba ki pajba ki kring ba bat ka Khyndai Lad ka dai ka jaka ka ba baro ki nongwan jngohkai perthai ki juwan ban ïalum kalema kala berabru da ka ba ong ba langba gani ki jing pynkhuid ki don ki jing kerman ba ka jela meghalaya kan kiu hagi kam jngohkai perthai bat ka thong jong gani kalong ban yada bat ban pynkhuid ya ka nongba Shillong bat kum juru ban penlong ya gitu ki ba wan jngohkai ya ka bakin yai kan mausa ya kani ka nongba Shillong kum ka nongba ka bakhuid ka ba subah.
The members of Manipuri Elders Consortium Shillong has organized a cleanliness drive at Khyndai Lad, Shillong. We organized this program in the perspective that Shillong is a tourist place and Khyndai Lad being the main attraction and the main gathering of the tourists. We thought that it would be a nice contribution from our part, from the Manipuri Elders Consortium to keep the area clean and green. So our main aim for conducting this cleanliness drive is to make Shillong clean, green and to make the people coming to Shillong have a good impression and a good memory of the clean Shillong. Thank you.
Today's our cleaning drive is organized by MECS, all the members of MECS. We have done a very good cleaning drive today in morning 6:30, and the main aim of our cleaning drive is just to maintain the cleanliness around Shillong, and this is a hub of the tourist hub. At the same time, to maintain good health. And also the look more clean and look nice, and top of that this is Scotland of northeast, so we should maintain this thing, so we support by all MECS members. Thank you.